Once you've got your banners uploaded into the media library, you'll need to add the banners to the website using a widget. So we would recommend the large horizontal banner would go here, or the vertical banner would go into this location here. So we've got two available widget areas here. One is called below main menu and one is above main here, and this one is main right. So I'll show you exactly where they are. The process is the same for all banners. So you need to go into the dashboard, into the widget area. The quickest way is to just hover your mouse in the black bar over the name of your practice and then click widgets. You can close the first right sidebar box, which is not relevant to this. What you're looking for is the home below menu full width and above main full width, or home main widget right for the vertical banner. We're going to look at these two first, which is home below menu full width and home above main full width. So what I want to do is I want to move my 4 existing buttons into this area, just moving them down one block basically. Just drag and drop them very carefully so they all end up in the right place. So I've got my 4 buttons have just moved down now above the welcome box, and I'm going to grab a new image widget, drag it up and drop it here. Once my widget's there, I can click add image, and I can now choose from one of the banners I uploaded previously. Fill in the alternative text box for those using a visual impairment accessibility tools like screen readers. And then scroll down. I'd recommend you choose the largest size available. That will make sure the banner looks great on all devices. Once you've done those two things, just click add to widget, and now you can see we've got the widget banner here, and I'm going to paste the Florey address from accuRx. They'll provide you with the correct link. Don't use this one. It'll be something like this with a practice code on the end, and then you can simply save that. If you return to the website, you can now see we've got a large prominent accuRx banner at the top of the screen. And that's all you need to do.